Hey everyone, how's it going? So I've been having a lot of fun making all of the different surprise folds, and I thought I would do a fun school-themed one this time. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a box of crayons surprise fold. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our crayon box surprise fold, we need to begin by folding our paper. So the first thing I'm going to do is I just want to fold my paper in half this way. So I'm just going to line up the corners. I'm going to press it down and make a nice fold on there. Now when I open it up, it's kind of like a birthday card. The next step I want to do is I want to take this front flap and I'm going to fold it right down to the fold. And I'm going to just add that little crease in there. Now this time I'm going to do something different. I'm going to open it up, and this time I want to fold this flap right here down to here. So I'm going to just fold it down right to that fold. Might be a little hard to see. And I'm just going to press it down. And I'm going to fold it back this way. Now this way I have a little guide mark so I don't accidentally draw in here when I don't want to. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my paper and just fold it down like this so I have the traditional surprise fold. Now to make our little crayon box surprise fold, we are going to begin with the top. So I want to start right up here, and I'm going to begin by making a line that comes up. We'll move over here and we'll make another line that comes up over here. Next, we just want to connect these lines together. So we just want to make a nice straight line across for the top of our crayon box. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that comes down. And I'm going to do the same thing over here with another line that comes down. Then starting here, we're just going to draw a little line across. So I just want to make a nice straight line across. Now starting here, I'm going to make another little line right across this fold. So we just want to draw a line that goes straight across here. And I'll also make one that goes right across the top here on the fold. This one's sometimes a little bit harder to draw. So we're just going to make a little line that comes across here for the top of our little crayon box. Now, starting in here, I want to make a couple eyes on our crayon box. So the first thing I'm going to do is just make a circle right here for an eye. I want to leave some space, and I'll make another circle over here for another eye. Inside of here, I'm going to make a circle, and over here I'll do the same thing, make another circle. These are going to be the pupils. So inside of the pupils, we'll add a little small circle inside each one. And then we will color in the inside, just so we have a little reflection in the eye. Now, starting down here, I want to add a couple little details. So I'm going to begin by drawing a diagonal line here, and I'll make another one right here. I'll do the same thing over here. We'll put one diagonal line coming down, then I'll add another one right on top. Now, right in here, we want to make a straight line across. Then I'm going to make a little curved line right here, like a big smiley face. Then what I'm going to do in here is I'm just going to add a couple little lines coming down, and this is going to be kind of like where we'd see like the crayons. Now right here in the middle we want to make an oval. So what I'm going to do is just draw a sideways oval shape right across here. Now the last thing I want to do is right at the top I'm going to draw a little line that goes up. It's going to come over and down. And right inside of here I'm just going to make a skinny oval shape, and I'll color this in. This is just kind of like the little hole in the tag where the crayons will be hanging on the shelf. Now, the next thing I want to do is open this up. Now, once you open this up, we have our crayon box right here, and we have just two halves of it. Now what we want to do is we want to add some details inside of here. So one of the first things I'm going to do though is I'm just going to draw this line right across here just so we can define it a little bit better. Now I'm going to make some teeth in here, but I want to make them actually look like crayons. So what I'm going to do is we'll start down here, and what you want to do is draw a line that goes up, it's going to come over, and then down. And I'm going to do this all the way across here, so we're going to go up, over, and down. You can make these different sizes too, they don't have to all be the same size. So we're just going to make these come all the way across like this. I'll put about 5 of them there. And then I want to do the same thing here. I'm going to make a little line that goes down, over, and up. And we're going to do this all the way across here. I'm going to make sure I have 5 crayons on this one too. And you can make these different sizes, some of them a little bit bigger, a little bit shorter, like that. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw the tip of the crayon. So we'll make a line that goes up, over, and then down. And you can see I'm getting a little bit skinnier at the top, and I'm making them a little bit fatter at the bottom. So we want to do this all the way across here for the top of our little crayon teeth. So we're going to do this right across here, and then we're going to do the same thing up here at the top. We're going to go down, over, and then up. So you want to do this for the top of each of your crayons. Now, starting in here, I'm going to add kind of like a little crazy tongue. So I'm going to start here, and we're just going to draw a long line that's just going to curve up. It's going to curve down and around. Then I'm going to make it come to a point, and I'm going to bring it back here and connect. Starting here, I'm going to make a little U shape. Then right here, we're going to make a line that's going to curve down to here. And we'll make another line that curves down to here. Next, let's make a nice line that comes down, and then we'll make another one over here that's just going to come down. We'll jump over our tongue and come down to here. Then I'm going to make another little line right next to each one for the sides of the mouth. Now, right across here on these crayons, I want to add a little bit of detail. So what I'm going to do is right across here, we're just going to add 2 little stripes right across the top of each crayon. So I'm going to go ahead and just add 2 little stripes onto the top of each of these crayons. We're going to do this right across here. We'll also do it on these. We'll just add 2 little lines coming right across the top. So we'll do that on all of these. Then I want to make a little half circle on the middle part of each of these crayons. We'll just make a little half circle just so we can tell they're actually crayons. So we're just going to add these all across here. And there you go. There is your drawing of your little crayon box surprise fold. When you have it nice and folded, you have this cute little crayon box, but then when you open it up, you have this big crazy crayon box monster with all of these crazy crayon teeth. But there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.